Hey guys, it's me Lorie, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you the best 2D animator in laptop. In this application, you can animate everything. This is perfect for business and education. This application is called Wondershare Unreal. Here is the sample video edited in this application.
Christmas super sale up to 15% off. Hey, here comes Art Studio. Want to buy a gift on Christmas? The absolute best deals and products at Art Studio. Don't miss out. All purchases come with a surprise gift. Offer valid from December 1st to December 28th, 2021. Claim your 15% now and enjoy the same service as Shopee.
Let's download first the application. Just go to their official website. I will put the link on the description box. You can buy this application or try it for free. To download the application, just click try it for free and it will start downloading. After downloading, just open this, then install this to your laptop. In creating a project, you can always choose your preferred size. You can choose widescreen, Instagram, or portrait. And you can also open your project here and log in your account by just typing your Wondershare ID. But if you don't have an account, you can create a new one. There are also video references here so that you have an idea in creating a video. So let's start a new project. In this panel, you can choose your preferred content. So I will choose here a promotion campaign. In this panel, you can turn your script into a text speech. Just add a specific title for your promotion campaign. I will create here a promotion about Christmas sales to fill up the details that are required in this. When you are done, just click generate and it will automatically create your promotion campaign. And it turns out like this. This application is very convenient to use. If you are not good at animating, it's a feature here wherein just one click you have a video. If you want to change your background or scenarios, there are options here. There are also characters. If your preferred character is a soldier, you can choose here. There are different character poses here, happy, angry, explaining, and etc. By just dragging this into the video, it will automatically animate itself. There are a lot of stickers that you can put in your video. Just simply drag it to the video. By clicking the sticker, you can choose your preferred effects and you can change the color of it. can also change the background of this video by just searching in Google your preferred background. Just save the image, then import it to any real application. After importing, just drag it to the video, then resize it. You can also change here the color of the text and the font style. On the right panel of the screen, you can always choose the scenario that you want to edit. So let's try to turn the text into a speech. Clicking here, you will see this. There are options here if you want a boy or a girl sound. Just type the text here. If you want to hear the preview sound, just click the play button. When you are done, just add it to a timeline.
The absolute best deals and products at Art Studio. Don't miss out. Art Studio. Don't miss out. All purchases come with a surprise gift. Offer valid from December 1st to December 28th, 2021.
In this all scenes timeline, you will see the preview of the whole video. You can insert here a text if you want to add more. You can also insert a scenario. So here is the sample. If your content is all about explaining, there are perfect backgrounds here and elements. In animating an object, just click here, then move an object to a different location. If you are done with your video, just click export. Just add the title of your video. Then export it to your PC or laptop. That's all for today's video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.